Welcome to the channel. In the world of information management applications, there has always been a major problem. Your data is becoming less and less yours. Notion, Evernote, OneNote, everything revolves around the cloud, forcing you to rely on centralized services. But today, there's a real killer app that changes the rules of the game: Anytype. Anytype is much more than just an alternative to Notion. It's open source, privacy first, and designed to work offline, securely syncing data without forcing you to surrender control to a company. But here's the real revolution. You can install it in self-hosting. This means you can create your own private space without storage limits imposed by third parties and without the risk of losing access to your data just because a company decided so. The biggest issue with Anytype? Disk space usage. The decentralized system can become heavy if not managed properly. But with a self-hosted server, this problem disappears, and Anytype becomes the ultimate app for those who want to organize their digital life without compromises. In a world increasingly pushed towards the cloud, Anytype offers a radical alternative: full control over your data without sacrificing functionality. And it's not just an advanced note-taking app. Anytype is a modular ecosystem, a concept that goes beyond simple document management. You can use it for note-taking, task management, creating custom databases, and linking ideas and information in a connected system. Its object-based architecture allows seamless integration and connection of all types of content without the rigidity of traditional productivity apps. Moreover, it's expandable. With APIs on the way and an open system for customization, it can become the central hub of your digital organization. If Notion is the past, Anytype is the future. And with self-hosting, it becomes the best tool for those who truly want to be free. Thanks for watching.